What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a video about how my cough has been today. So basically, today I went to school, got up, went to school, did all my stuff, got ready, done my hands and face, all that stuff. I went to school. I'm coughing nowhere near as bad. I think I'm nearly better now, finally. But basically, today's been a really good day. I was able to actually go to school today for a whole day. It's been a really good day at school, but I've had this cough a little bit, but not much at all. So, yeah, I think this cough's nearly gone. But I'm like thanking the fact that it's nearly gone, because I eventually got bored of it, because I've had it for ages. But today I'm nearly better. I'm way better than I was. I've been way better for like 5 days or something like that. But in yesterday's video I was a bit dramatic. I did feel groggy though, but I was still a bit like dramatic about the cough, so I'm sorry about that. So today's been really good. I managed to eat all of my school dinner and pudding, and I've been back here for ages. I had a roast dinner when I got back to my nana's from Toby Carver in Loughborough. But yeah, today's been an amazing day, and this cough has nearly gone. But yeah, I'm on the final stage of this cough, because before, as I told you in the last video, the last video yesterday I think it was, I was saying about how I was coughing at first, losing my appetite at first. Then I got the cough. Then there were 3 or 4 nights where I was up really late, coughing my guts up, with the cough keeping me awake most of the night. A few days where I felt sick. 2 days where I had a temperature. A few days where I had my cough really bad. And recently my appetite has been back last Sunday. Not this Sunday, just gone last Sunday it was. But yeah, I've still got the cold. No, I wouldn't even class it cold anymore. Why does my hair look like a McDonald's logo? I'm not being funny, but look at that. That is weird. But yeah, I've had this cough for ages. I've still got it a tiny bit now, but no way near at all as bad as it was. I've nearly cleared it off now. By the way, I'm doing this video without the light on, but there is one light on down there. But yeah, I like doing videos in the dark just so that it's night time. And it is night time. It's around 10ish, I think. But yes, guys, the cough is really nearly gone now, I think. And I think I've got 5% of the cough left, if that. But yeah, no doubt it will be gone by either tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, I've just been like really happy that it's been going. I still have been moaning a bit that I've got it, but I think I'm overreacting a bit because most stuff I moan at, but coughs, colds, viruses, stuff like that, and really annoy me. And basically, like I said, I've had a cough, I felt sick, I've had a temperature, I've had, 7 days off school. Well, basically like 4 weeks because, well, I don't know, like 3 weeks I think, because of like half term and stuff like that. Or it could just be 2, I don't know. But yeah, I've gone from needing Calpol, cough medicine, paracetamol, antibiotics, to needing none of them now because my cough's almost gone, my temperature's not been back at all since I had the antibiotics. Because I think I had the antibiotics to stop the temperature going up because I needed them for like, I think I had like a week's worth of antibiotics. But yeah, I've already like had them. There was a few times like, do you know when you have like, I have to have 3 tablets. I've got a blue tablet, a white tablet, and this red and white antibiotic. And the antibiotics are about that big, or that big, I think, as in like a capsule. But when you have 3 at once, the only one I struggled with was the antibiotic because it's so big and it's like massive. Because my other tablets are tiny, but my antibiotic was massive. And when I had it, there was twice in one day where like, not choked on it, but it wouldn't go down straight away. I needed like 3 sipfuls of water to get it down. 3 mouthfuls of water, I mean. But yes, guys, my cough has almost gone now, thank goodness. But I've still got it a little bit. But no way near as bad as it was. But yeah, I've just enjoyed that I've actually been able to go to school today and see me. Oh, this hair is doing my head in. I need my hair cut again. I've only just had it done 3 months ago, but that's over 90 days because, oh god, it's doing my head in. It keeps going back in one style and I look like a McDonald's logo. And I had it done this morning and I looked like a bit of a hedgehog. But because when I didn't often like have it cut at my mum's, the one time I left it nearly a year. Well, pretty much a year. 361 days, I think it was. I left it 361 days once, which was ridiculous. I literally looked like a woman. My hair was down to my ears, both sides. At my back it was like a mullet. And at the front my hair was really long as well. But yeah, I've got over that now because since I've lived with my auntie, I've had my hair cut more frequently. I've been wanting to have it done more because at my mum's I wasn't used to having it done like much, I think. But yes, guys, if you enjoyed this, remember to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on post notifications, and yes guys, hold on, I'll end the video soon because my hair's like gone all fuzzy again. Yeah, my hair's gone all fuzzy again, guys. It's getting weird because I've not had it cut for ages. I'm not used to having it cut every 4 weeks here, I think it was. Every 4 to 6 weeks, but I've not had it done for 12 weeks or over that because it's either that the barber's not open or that I'm somewhere else or that I'm busy doing something or just having days at home. But yeah, it needs cutting now because look at the length. It's gonna start to annoy me now because I like having my hair cut more ever since I've lived here because there's a good barber around where I live. And yeah, I have my hair cut sometimes, but yeah, it's just annoying that it's growing this long. When I get my hair cut, my hair grows back really quick, which is just really annoying. Oh my god, it's actually embarrassing. It's just this bit there. I look like a McDonald's logo. It's actually embarrassing. It looks like the M of a McDonald's logo, but yeah, my cough's basically nearly gone now. I bet it will be gone in the next 2 days or something like that. But yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment if I still get my hair cut because I think I need it cut. Turn on post notifications. Share this video to a family or friend. Do all this stuff if you want to. Leave a comment if you want to. Do all this stuff if you want. And yes guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.